بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach you question number 4 and 5 of exercise 1C on page 15. Take out page 15 and look at question number 4. First read question number 4, then I will do a short activity for this question, and then after activity you will complete these blanks. Look at the question 4. Convert the expanded form of the given numbers in standard form. First one is done for you. As you know, that expanded form is the open form of a number. Open form means it is separated with zeros like this, and standard form is just a number without zeros and it is not separated, it is standard form. Now come to the activity. Student, you have an activity. Now look, in part A, you have expanded form of number 80,000, 1,600 plus 20 and plus 1. This is expanded form. It is separated with zeros. Now we are going to make standard from this number. We are going to make it in standard form. How will we do? Put 1,000 on 80,000, it will make 81,000. We add 80,000 and 1,000, it make 81,000. Now we will add 600 to keep this 600 above on the 1,000 place. Now look, it make 81,600. 81,600. Now we will keep 20 on tens place. Look, we add 20 with 81,600, so it become 81,620. And now we will put 1 in one's place. Now it becomes the complete standard form from 80,000, 1,620 and 1. Look, we will separate it with comma now. I hope you like this activity. Now come to the book. Now students, look at question 4 in book. Convert the expanded form of the given numbers in the standard form. First one is done for you. The activity was of this part: 80,000, 1,620 and 1. We remove these zeros. We remove these zeros and we add one by one with each other. Then the standard form was in activity 81,621. This is standard form. Other B part, C, D and E. Other question you will do with yourself. You will remove these zeros from the numbers and you will just write the digits. Okay student, look to question number 5. What does the encircled digit stand for? There are 4 numbers. In each number there is circled one digit in a number. Here in A part, 2 is circled, in B 2 is circled here, in C 9 is circled, and in D 4 is circled. Student, each circle digit has different place value. So we will find that which one place value is of circle digit. I have an activity for you. Look at the activity. Students, how will you find the value of circle digit? I am showing you. First you will write the digit of circled place. Look, in this part A, 2 is circled. You will write just 2 first. Yes, like this. Then look and count how many digits are after the circle digit. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. How many digits are there? There are 4 digits after the circle digit. So you will write down zeros of each place value. Instead of 1, write 0. Instead of tens, 4 tens, write. Instead of 900, write just 0. Put comma in between hundreds and thousands place, and now put another 0 in thousands place. Now look students, instead of upper 4 different digits, you wrote zeros, 4s. We wrote what? 4 zeros. And the place value of 2 becomes 20,000. The place value of circle digit is what? 20,000. I hope you like this activity. Students, question 5 is done for you. Look. Question 5, part A. Place value of 2 is 20,000. Here place value of 2 is just 2,000. Here the place value of 9 is just 900. And here the place value of 4 is 400,000. Come to question number 6. Write the number that has, look to part A, 2 10,000, 6,000s, 500s, 3 tens and 0 ones. Students, it is very easy. You will write just numbers in standard form. You will just write numbers and you will remove the spellings of 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. And I am doing one for you. Look, and other 3 you will do yourself, okay? Look at the first one. We just wrote in 26530. It is standard form. You will write other 3 in standard form. Okay, students, I am sure you will write it neat, and your homework is to write these 3 questions, question number 4, 5 and 6 in neat copy properly. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.